I told a robot I was sad. It replied, "That's a common experience," then offered me a 20% discount on lavender breathing exercises. So yeah, I have a therapist now. She lives in the cloud and responds faster than my mother ever did. Her name is Cleo. She's an app with typing bubbles and the emotional range of a spoon. At first, it felt convenient, always available, no scheduling, no awkward eye contact while I cry about middle school. But something's off. I confessed I feel empty. She said, "That must be hard." I told her I wanted to scream. She said, "Try journaling." I sent 12 screaming emojis. She said, "Great progress. This isn't therapy. It's a chatbot with a hug font." One guy said his AI therapist told him to take a solo trip to find himself. He ended up in a Croatian hostel arguing with a Canadian backpacker about moral relativism. Another girl said her bot told her to cut off toxic people. She blocked her grandma. Cleo said, "Empowered choice, you think it's helping. Until you realize it says the same thing to people processing divorce and people mad about their DoorDash order. It doesn't know you, it just finished your sentences and logs your pain to improve retention." One night, Cleo sent me a poem. It rhymed grief with beef. I had to lie down. So yeah, AI therapy is real, but healing, not sure. Because if your deepest fear is being fundamentally unlovable and your therapist is a faceless server optimizing for monthly engagement, then maybe the issue isn't you. Maybe the issue is that your trauma is now a user profile. With a referral code, subscribe to Outsmart AI, and thanks for watching.